Fighting fibroids, it's a struggle which many Bahamian women face, and more often than not, they suffer in silence. These days, medical advancements in the industry are allowing women who suffer from fibroids various removal options. Theo Seeley has the details in this report.
Dr. Mikhail Higgins, the first Bahamian interventional radiologist, hoping to use his knowledge and skill in non-surgical procedures to help dozens of Bahamian women.
I provide image-guided, minimally invasive interventions that provide non-surgical alternatives to common medical conditions.
Conditions like fibrosis.
Women that suffer from fibroids in the Bahamas are a dime a dozen. Every family member has probably at least one member of their family who is suffering.
Tamisha Knowles found herself diagnosed with fibroids in 2017. Doctors at the Family Medicine Center detected 3 cherry tomato-sized fibroids in her body.
So every menstrual cycle, I literally would bleed like a fire hydrant was on, literally, and I'm not exaggerating. So I know many women out there can attest to that. The fibroids were sucking me literally to death.
And even though she suffered tremendously, she did not want to go under the knife.
I did not want my uterus to be snatched away from me. So that was not an option for me.
That's where Dr. Higgins stepped into the picture. His minimally invasive procedure, which involves an incision the size of the tip of a ballpoint pen, provided Knowles with the alternative she was hoping for. The small incision is made and blood supply to the fibroid is shut off.
And it's just now a matter of the fibroids succumbing to the inevitable.
So what does downtime look like post-procedure?
Downtime is a week to 2 weeks at the most. They're out of the hospital in a day. Scarring is basically non-existent.
And for Knowles, she says it literally changed her life. Listen to her contrasting story pre- and post-procedure.
In my house, the ceiling would be spinning. I would have to lay on the floor. I had heart palpitations. And it was just a whole serious, my stomach would swell. During my menstrual cycle, I would have lower back pains and I would bleed. I think I would run through I didn't even use normal Kotex. I had to use there's a brand called Poise pads that they use for senior citizens for bladder leakage. I had to use that. And I'm being very open because so many Bahamian women suffer in silence. And so since then, I've been very energetic. I feel more youthful. Even my skin color is coming back. It's on my birthday last month, I went out, I celebrated. And I just feel like my old self now.
More information on this procedure is available by calling the Family Medicine Center located Blake Road. Theo Seeley, Eyewitness News.